that is my new drone. It just flies around and records me. It's so cool. Hang on. So to land it, I just put my hand out underneath it and it will land in my hand. Let me show you how it follows me. Please say hi to the cameras. So I'll show you the footage from this drone and also from my glasses. But this is my new drone and I have been so obsessed with it. The story about how I got this drone is I was really tired one night and I was scrolling through TikTok when I should have been asleep. Saw this come up on my For You page and I thought it was the coolest thing and I bought it. It is $299. So when I woke up in the morning and I saw that I had an order that shipped for $299, I was like, oh crap. But it's been so good. So actually, the combo of this drone that follows you around, you don't have to fly it whatsoever, and my glasses being able to record POV footage has been like a dynamic duo. Between the two of this, I feel like I have the ultimate camera crew. So let me just show you some of the videos that I was able to take with my drone. So I recently went to Montreal with my coworkers and we were able to do, like, we were standing in the middle of the park and we were able to do a bird's eye view. So you can see us three standing in the middle there and the drone flying up. And then we were also able to do an orbit mode. So this drone does have 6 different features. So it has the hover where it will just stay in place and kind of circle around and follow you. It has the follow mode, so it'll follow you around. It has the orbit mode, and then there's a custom one, and then there's the bird's eye view. So the orbit mode was really cool and I was able to do that. And I also used the follow mode while I was at the walking around the farmer's market a little bit, which is super cool to be able to do. So between this being able to record me and then my glasses being able to record my POV, it's been a really cool duo. So here's some examples of me using both at various places. The only thing to remember about that each place in the world has a different law when it comes to drones, and I didn't really know that. I mean, I knew, but I wasn't like super aware of it because I never thought I would get a drone, but now here we are. So you just have to be a little bit careful with that. But also, like at $299, a flying drone that is smart and just follows you around and takes relatively good footage, honestly. That's not too expensive of a price for this. And the reason for that is this thing is, it's kind of dumb. It has no crash detection. I've crashed it like in the beginning of this video. When I was first filming this video, it totally just crashed on me. So it's kind of dumb. It kind of reminds me, if you've ever seen the movie Moana, it kind of reminds me of Hey Hey. So it'll crash everywhere, but I've definitely crashed it in my room a couple of times. My room is all white and this is still in perfectly good condition because it's like really, it's very lightweight. And also it's left absolutely no scuff marks whatsoever in my room. So it's been really good for that. So yes, it's a little bit dumb. So you do have to be a bit careful, and I don't think it goes super fast, but it can follow people when they're like running, etc. But the main thing here is I can use it for so many random cool things. For example, when I'm trying to do like an unboxing video, I can record with my glasses, like the POV of me unboxing, while this is like flying next to me and recording me. Here's the footage. The only thing too though is that it is a little bit loud, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, this video is mostly just me wanting to show you my beautiful new drone and how much I love it. And if you can think of anything that I should be using this and my glasses duo for, let me know and I will definitely try it out. If you're interested in this, I'll link it below. Also, as you can tell, I am starting to cover more like different types of tech on my channel. And I love tech, so I'm so excited to be able to show you all different things. If there is anything specific, even if it's really a little bit out there that you want to see me like talk about more on my channel in regards to tech, let me know in the comments below. And also, please please, if you can, you just check if you're subscribed to my channel, because I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and it's free. Consider it your like holiday gift to me to just like subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.